Have you ever wondered if you could be getting a bigger tax refund? It's a question that's likely crossed your mind, and you're not alone. Each year, countless individuals wrestle with the complex world of taxation, often left wondering if they've missed out on a larger refund. Let's dispel some common misconceptions about tax refunds. First off, a tax refund isn't a bonus or a windfall. It's essentially your money that you've overpaid to the government throughout the year. And while it might seem like a pleasant surprise, wouldn't it be better if that money stayed in your pocket from the start? Everyone, regardless of their income bracket or financial situation, has the potential to maximize their tax refund. How? By harnessing the power of knowledge and implementing the right strategies. It's not about gaming the system, it's about understanding it. Get professional advice from the trusted CPAs at metroaccountingandtaxservices.com or call us at 404-990-3365. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets to a bigger tax refund? Every individual's tax situation is unique, and understanding yours is the first step to maximizing your tax refund. Now, let's dive deeper into what it means to understand your tax situation. Essentially, it's about knowing the different factors that shape your tax profile. These can range from your income sources, be it salary, business profits, or freelance earnings, to the number of dependents you have, to your filing status, whether you're single, married, or head of household. Each of these elements plays a significant role in determining your tax obligations and potential refund. For instance, having more dependents can lead to more deductions, which might increase your refund. Similarly, your filing status can significantly affect the amount of tax you owe or the refund you receive. So, understanding these factors and how they interact is crucial. It's like putting together a jigsaw puzzle, each piece contributing to the bigger picture. Knowing your tax situation gives you the power to make informed decisions and potentially increase your tax refund. For help in getting your maximum refund this tax season, reach out to Metro Accounting and Tax Services CPA in Atlanta, Georgia at 404-990-3365. Deductions and credits are your best friends when it comes to increasing your tax refund. When you hear the terms deduction and credit, what do you think of? The two can be a bit confusing, but they're not as complex as they might seem. At its simplest, a tax deduction decreases your taxable income. Think of it like a discount on a product at your favorite store. Let's say you've earned $50,000 this year. If you have a tax deduction of $5,000, your taxable income falls to $45,000. Deductions can come from a variety of places, such as student loan interest or contributions to certain retirement accounts. On the other hand, a tax credit directly reduces the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. It's like a gift card you can use at checkout. If you owe $3,000 in taxes, but have a $1,000 tax credit, your tax bill is now $2,000. Common tax credits include the child tax credit and the earned income tax credit. Here's where it gets interesting. Some of these deductions and credits are underused or even overlooked. For instance, if you've been paying for higher education, you might be eligible for the Lifetime Learning Credit or the American Opportunity Credit. If you've set up a home office, you could claim the Home Office deduction. It's essential to remember that not all deductions and credits are available to everyone. They often depend on your specific circumstances, like your filing status, income, and expenses. So it's worth taking the time to understand what you're eligible for. Keep in mind, the more deductions and credits you qualify for, the lower your taxable income or tax bill will be. And the lower these are, the higher your refund could be. So don't be shy. Get to know these best friends of yours. Remember, every deduction and credit you qualify for brings you one step closer to a bigger tax refund. Secure a free consultation today at metroaccountingandtaxservices.com/taxproblems or call 404-990-3365 to ensure you get a maximum tax refund this tax season. Accuracy in filing your tax return is not only essential to avoid penalties, but it can also affect the size of your tax refund. Imagine the tax return as a puzzle, where each piece represents a deduction or credit. Missing even a single piece might distort the whole picture, leading to a smaller refund than you might be entitled to. Now, let's consider the consequences of errors. They can be as benign as a delay in processing your return, or as severe as an audit. The latter can be a daunting experience, even if you've done nothing wrong. The good news: there are ways to ensure accuracy. One such way is that you could hire a tax professional, an expert who knows the ins and outs of tax laws. Metro Accounting and Tax Services, CPA in Atlanta, can help you in this process. Accuracy in tax filing is like hitting the bullseye. It gets you the maximum refund. We at Metro Accounting and Tax Services are happy to help you keep more of your hard-earned money in your pockets. Call us at 404-990-3365. Maximizing your tax refund is not as complex as it may seem. Let's jog your memory with some key takeaways. First up, understanding your tax situation is paramount. Recognize your income sources, know your tax bracket. It's all about knowing where you stand before you start planning your moves. Then we have your best friends in this journey, deductions and credits. These are your golden tickets to reducing your taxable income and subsequently increasing your refund. Be it education or energy-saving credits or standard or itemized deductions, don't leave these stones unturned. Finally, the importance of accurate filing cannot be overstated. Spot-on documentation, timely filing, and accurate calculations are your shields against potential audits and penalties. With these strategies at your disposal, you are now equipped to navigate the tax season with confidence and potentially boost your tax refund. Now conquer this tax season and get that big tax refund with Metro Accounting and Tax Services. 404-990-3365, or secure your no-obligation tax consultation today at metroaccountingandtaxservices.com/tax problems. Keep more of your hard-earned money where it belongs, and that's in your pockets.